What's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is the all new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and this is the Note 10 Plus that I already unboxed here in my channel. So in this video I'm actually going to be talking about my favorite Galaxy Note 10 color. This time around Samsung has done something quite special when it comes to the colors, so definitely I think the Note 10 deserves this video. So can you guess my favorite color? Drop a comment down below. Let's find out the answer right after the intro. Before we talk about the color, let's talk about the two options of the Galaxy Note that are available. So we have the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 has a smaller display when compared to the Note 10 Plus, and even when it comes to some of the other specifications, the Note 10 Plus is the most superior smartphone. So my choice between the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus is clearly the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I've been a Galaxy Note fan ever since the very first Galaxy Note 1 came out, and I have used every single one of the Galaxy Notes until last year's Galaxy Note 9 and now the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. So I'm a really big fan of this lineup, and for me the Note 10 Plus screams the Galaxy Note 10 moniker. That's because the Galaxy Note 10 was always about raising the bar, and with the Note 10 Plus, Samsung is again raising the bar this time around with all the awesome specs that it packs and all the awesome things it can do. Now moving on, let's talk about my favorite color, which is what this video is all about, and I'm pretty sure that most of you guys might have already guessed it. My personal favorite color of the Galaxy Note lineup is the Aura Glow color. It is an entirely new color Samsung has never done before, and it's something really exciting. It's not just one or two colors blended in, but it's a mixture of almost all types of colors. So the way you hold the phone will reflect different colors. Think of it like a rainbow. It has all varieties of colors, and depending on how the light hits it, it will show different colors. Sometimes it might look a little bit blue and purple. Sometimes it might look a little bit like orange and yellow. Sometimes it might look a bit green, or other times it might look like a clean slate of glass. If you want your smartphone to stand out from the rest of the smartphones, then definitely the Aura Glow color is for you. If the Aura Glow color is too flashy for you, you can go with either the Aura Black, Aura Red, or Aura White color that Samsung offers with the Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. But trust me, if you want your smartphone to stand out and if you want the best that Samsung has to offer, then definitely go with the rainbow colored Aura Glow that has an awesome look to it. Another cool thing Samsung has done with the Note 10 series this time around is they have made the Note 10 lineup with a really reflective material. So if you have Aura Glow, you will see that it's pretty reflective. It's as reflective as a mirror. So some might argue that you don't need to actually carry a mirror if you have the Aura Glow version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because you can switch your phone around and there you have a mirror. Just like that, the Galaxy Note 10 stands up with extra features, even fancier extra features this time around. So that's something pretty awesome. Let me know what you think about that down below in the comment section. Now enough talking, I want you guys to really see and feel what the Aura Glow color is all about. So enjoy this music and experience the Aura Glow color of the Galaxy Note 10. For more behind the scenes of the Note 10 series, definitely follow me on Instagram. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.